Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to clean the printhead on Epson L3250 series models. So first we will print a nozzle check pattern to see if there is a problem with our printhead. How to print it: press and hold the stop button and press the on button, the power button, until you see flashing here. Then release the buttons. And now we are waiting for the printout. And as you see, we have here some problems. We need to clean the printhead. How to clean it? The printer must be on, and press and hold for about 5 seconds this button until we see the power button start blinking, and release it. And yeah, now we are waiting for about 4 or 5 minutes, and after that we will see what happened. Be sure that there is enough ink in the tanks, and be careful, never turn off the product or open the front cover during the cleaning session. Just wait. So when the power button stops blinking, we are ready. Let's do again the nozzle check pattern. Switch off the printer. Press the stop button and press the power button. Release them. The thing seems much better, but we will do another cleaning until we see whole lines here. So you can do this cleaning until the printout is perfect. That's it. Thank you very much and good luck.